Okay, here's the whole thing from start to finish. This is what you guys are going to work on. I hope you can get together and practice. It really is a good idea. Let's see. So let's do this from the top. I'm going to do some weird combining of the picking and strumming, so don't let that freak you out. You don't have to do that. Woo! Stop! With your feet on the air and your head on the ground. Try this trick and spin it, yeah. Your head will collapse and there's nothing in it, and you'll ask yourself, where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind? Way out in the water, see it swimming. 2, 3, 4. Where is my mind? Where is my mind? Where is my mind? Way out in the water, see it swimming. Let that last chord ring. Okay? You guys work on that, all right? See if you can get together and work on it without me. That would be a really good idea, I think.